It's Wednesday, March 28th, 2012. George pulled me out before I could even get shaved or anything because he wanted to run this, I guess he got his Social Security check and wanted to put it in the bank. He's running into Union Bank. He's going to try to solve this electric problem by making a payment on it. We're behind $1,600 on electric. So it's about to get shut off. His wife's son's about to come up and visit. So he's running around like a chicken without his head off, trying to clean up and stuff like that. He's going to mow the lawn and weed it, eat it, stuff like that. All the stuff that should have been being maintained. He's going to finally buy weed whacker cord, which he didn't want to buy. I'm going to try to solve this sprint issue and the blazer issue. I'm still focused on that because that's the key to clearing out some garages here. Other than that, you know, just packing storage units. I have to clear out the processing unit. I'm obviously not going to make it by the 1st. Anyway, we're outside of Martin's. I've already updated my application in all these businesses. I can't find anything anywhere. Here's George at the drive up again. Community Bank. Beautiful day anyway. There's George going into the Dollar General. He's going to get some weed eater cord. Wow, Backstage Video is still in business. There's really video places going out of business right and left. Because people are getting everything online or through the mail these days. Yeah, this toolbox is pretty full now. Hopefully my locks come today for the other toolbox. And start filling that one up. I may need a third one. I've been working on that tire while I've been uploading videos. Took George to the community bank. Just put in a couple checks. He walks up to the drive up like he's a car. It's kind of funny. Okay, back to this. I let the glue set up. I didn't put full pressure on it. I'm going to pressure it up. Hopefully it's not going to leak on a bead. I know the other nail hole will leak. Alright, it's all pumped up. I don't feel any wind, but here's where it was leaking. Let's see what we got. This is a mixture of dishwashing fluid and water. Heavy on the dishwashing fluid. Well, it's actually it's looking pretty good. I don't see anything extreme like I did see before. Not too sure about this valve stem. I think this is probably leaking too. Yeah, that valve stem's leaking just like the other one. And get a set of 4 nice valve stems. I'm going to fix these tires one at a time, but if they only have pin leaks, at least I can transport it here. Well, same deal with the back. It looks pretty good. I don't see any major blowout here. So, it's still leaking. I see it. It's slowed down a lot. I can see a big bubble starting. Oh well. It's okay, okay though, it could be worse. I'm gonna fix this stupid nail hole. But I know that nail hole's really leaking. Yeah, there it is. I can actually hear it. It's so leaking so fast. So I'll have to get a needle nose to pull out that nail. Yeah, now I've done it. I got this almost pulled completely out with these pliers, with the big ones. You can hear it good now. That's why you never take the nails out of the tires in an emergency. There it is. I don't even know what it is.
Get it now at Red Lobster's Lobster Fest. 12 tempting choices.
Pretty odd.
Lobster lovers dream for Maine lobster and shrimp. But
It looks like a rock.
Now at Red Lobster.
Weird.
To make your company run better, go faster.
Anyway, I gotta find my kit now. I just bought a kit last night. And I'll,
Business performance advisor today. Inspirit is finally.
Okay, I found the kit. It's only $3 at Walmart for the whole kit. I gotta dry the tire. I gotta find something to dry the tire with, and I'll just do this. Well, the first thing's to clean the hole out with this reamer. So it has a nice clean area. Okay, I threaded it into this insertion tool, which I don't see how the heck it's going to get out of the insertion tool with that little bit of flex and that little bit of hole. No, this is a cheap set. We'll see if it works. I gotta cover this with rubber cement, and okay, it's coated with rubber cement. Here goes. I push it to 2/3 the way in. Okay, there you have it. And so let that rubber cement dry. Let it dry for a few seconds, then I'm going to pump the tire full of air, and then let it dry some more. Then I'll cut off the end of it. You know, the road will wear it out anyway. Well, that's the first time I saw a rock cause a hole in a tire. Unless they just hammered this rock in to try to slow it down after the fact. This seems to be holding. I'm going to let it dry before testing it. Still have minor bead leaks. But the tire's holding air for a little bit. It's only going to hold air for about 10 miles tops. 8 miles. Got a little bead leak over here, but right by the weights. It's because they put these tires on dirty rims with paint on them. They need to be wire brushed so it's smooth. Yeah, I've been running George around all day. Now he's back to. I had to run him to the pharmacy at Kroger's. This day's really getting a wet towel on it from having to run him around all over the place. I just ran him to 2 banks as well, plus a tractor supply. He bought starting fluid and weed eater cord. Well, it's back running George to Kroger's again. A weird day. Well, these lug nuts are turning out to be a real pain. I went to 3 auto stores. They didn't have them, even though they quoted them on me. Now the 3rd auto store said they have them, but they have them across town. So I got to drive like 10 miles away and go get some. Well, it's a pretty drive anyway. I love Virginia. Yeah, finally. They look like an absolute match too, so I called it right. Anyway, back to the storage unit. Well, the good news is that front right tire is still holding air since yesterday. Actually, so is this one. Not bad. So there's some still leaking, but it's long term. Anyway, these are the same length, same thread, and pretty close to the same seat, which is what counts. They're a little different design, but that's okay. I'm going to be replacing all these lug nuts eventually after I repair all the rims, and never seize up this and put on that tire. I'm going to leave the brakes bad. I got to get the brake drum on too. I think these Dorman lugs look better than the original Eagle ones. These are the original Eagle ones. These are the Dormans. I kind of like the shape of the new ones better, actually. They look more industrial. Well, this is a first. I have the jack stuck under the truck. Coming out. Oh man, yeah, it did. Barely. This shock is so bad, it sits so low. Look how low it sits. This shock's completely blown. Oddly, the front tire doesn't look flat anymore. I guess it was all this weight from all these tools shifted onto the tire was making it look flat, because these are light duty tires. I can pull all this weight out of here. I'm going to have to bring the truck up to do it. I don't think I can do it right now because it's about to rain. Another load of chemicals, paperwork, and clothes to bring to the house. I'm at the processing unit. You can see it's starting to open up. There's still quite a bit of stuff to do. I'm going to get in here early tomorrow. I'm going to just start running this stuff out of here willy-nilly, a lot of it, and it won't take long to clear this. Once I pull the tables and that motorcycle out, that's most of it actually, and clear this out. That'll give me enough room for the Blazer, and then the day after tomorrow, in theory, I could bring the Blazer down here, and then I'll put the Jeep in front. I gotta get plates on this trailer. I'll put this trailer behind the pickup outside the house. Actually, since I'm here, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clear this entire trailer out right now and clear around it. Maybe the keys for the Blazer will pop up and save me $15 to get them code cut. I got a price on them at $15. Looks like there's some kind of wood boring insect. There's all fresh sawdust. I'll have to spray it or something. Anyway, I got the trailer all clear. What I gotta do, get plates on that and somehow move it over to the house and put it behind the pickup truck. So I'll have to think of how to do this. I sprayed a little Raid up in that hole. Maybe that'll do something. Okay, it's starting to get dark. This is tomorrow's project, I guess. Maybe I can make it home and nah, it's gonna be dark. I was checking out this van you can rent for $19.95 a day plus mileage. But there's no trailer hitch on it. I gotta get something to move the trailer. The other one I could rent for $40, but I'm trying to save some money. Maybe I'll ask around at the Elks. Something got a trailer hitch. Yeah, sure enough. And I had a feeling it was gonna rain. Thunder was my first clue. Well, I'm completely beat. I'll see you tomorrow. Y'all have a good night.